Good evening, friends. I'm recording live on the crude oil. I just wanted to show how my indicator work on the live market. See, I'm on the crude oil chart. You can see crude oil from the morning itself, from 29th, it went sideways and it started coming down. This is one indicator. Another indicator for, let me take out this ATR levels. Another indicator for marking the third hour. Third hour will be marked, and that is one strategy. I have already mentioned about the strategy for you people. So beautifully, it has given you trade, a sell trade. If you would have held this put option from here 150 to 197, that is 47 points, 4,700 you could have made in this trade from around 120 if you would have taken the trade. So beautifully it tells you the buy, the price climbed over and it has moved higher. There is no look back in the market. Now, crude oil, you can see it is falling like anything. Crude oil is falling like anything. So, you could have captured this. And coming to the Nifty, Nifty also I showed you. This is the third hour mark. This is the third hour strategy. Nifty on third hour, it moved higher. This is 11:15. If I place the cursor here, 12:15, market moved above the 12:15 hourly line, 120 for a just for something. It was an intraday push up. You could have taken trade here. See this dynamic indicator, rolling pivot trend combo. It has been upgraded to dynamic colors. It will change its colors. So once it starts changing color, you can see it has changed its color from even the R1 changes to red color, and even the pivot has changed to red color, indicating selling has come over here. And you can see GAN Hilo has changed color. So I am showing you on the live market. Let me show it to you on the live market. The crude oil. You can see crude oil. So clearly it is moving down. There is no signal. You can see over here the market is not giving any signal. This is the neutral color. It changes to neutral color. That means there is no buy. There is no buy actually. Nowhere it has shown buy. If I change it to 15 minutes time frame, see, you can see GAN Hilo is magenta color. Clear trend is down and the market is moving down. You can see how the GAN Hilo and the pivots, rolling pivots are working here. Everything is sell. So sell signals are generated in the for every bar so that you will not do mistake. See, when the GAN Hilo is here and the pivots, this is the pivot, this is the R1 and the pivot and the S1. They are, see, how they are changing the color. Dynamic colors also, they will change. If it is a buy signal, it will go. So the crude oil is falling like anything. It has come down to 5,600. Same put option is running like anything. It is moving up to 201. Even if you would have taken position around 615, the price was around 115, 9 to 160. Within the three, I mean, from 615 to 8:45, 2 hours, you could have made two and a half, more than 2,500. So beautifully it is going and the market is going down. You can see crude oil is going down. There is no buy signal at all. So people won't do, they do mistake by seeing the green candles, and wherever here it went sideways, there and they will do, there is no signal at all. I am on the 15 minutes time frame. There is no way by signal, no single candle has plotted by. And here, if I go to the put option, all are buy. You can see all are buy signals, and these are narrow range candles. You can see all the pivots, support, pivot, and R1. They have, change their color to green. When they become this color, neutral color, gray color, that indicates it is neutral as well as it is going sideways. You need to consider, but even in spite of that, GAN price is above the GAN low and above the support, and it is a discount price where you are getting around 615, and you could have entered into the trade again. The people who trade after 615, they could have traded. This is very beautiful indicator. Another indicator I have shown you. This, for example, let me show you for the Tata Motors. Tata Motors, see, uh, Tata Motors, I'll make it to 5 minutes. Here you can see, and this is the third hour block. It has been coded. This is another indicator for third hour block. If I, this one, it will change its color. Okay. It is dynamic. It will change its color. You can see over here. It changes when, if it is a breakdown, it changes to red. If it is break up, it changes its color to green. And moreover, you need not wait for the breakout. You can take the trade. You get the buy signal has been generated in the Tata Motors around 672, around 1245. 1245, this is the third hour block. The market moved higher. Even corresponding call option around this area, uh, it was around 1090. It moved up to, you could have captured 11.8. Since the market was sideways, not much of this will be there, profit. And just I'm showing an example how you could have made profit in this. Actually, the direction was for the put option. You can see over here for the put option around 12 o'clock. It broke below this level. The sell signal started over here for the put option. The put option came down to lower level 141, and then it picked up and it moved higher. It gave the buy signal, you can see over here around 175, then it rallied up to 237. That's how you can capture the, here also the morning around 11:30, it got the buy signal. It was going down because the Nifty was moving higher. So the premium came down. It became cheap. Around 127 to 126, you got the buy signal. And here it attained the peak. And this was a sell signal. Sell signal and generated in the put option. You are not going to, this is the third hour block. Third hour block, it has been coded. It is a different indicator. Like that, I have shown you midweek of the month highlighter. Midweek of the month highlighter will come in the daily chart. When I put on the daily chart, it will highlight. See, if we see over here in the Nifty, I am on the daily chart. This is the midweek of the month. This is put option. So put option is trying to move higher above the midweek of the month. So we need to see whether it is going to get rejected or whether it is going to cross this. That's how it is. You can make out. If I put the uh, Nifty chart, it has broken below this level. This is the midweek of the month. It has broken down. The price has broken down and it is going down. And here you can see this is the midweek of the August month. August month low is here around this area, and it started moving higher and retested and it has gone. Again, the Nifty is coming back to this around this area. We need to see whether it is going to hold the position or not. This indicator is an universal indicator which can be used for positional swing as well as intraday time frame, and it is so beautiful. Many people who have taken this indicator are complimenting me. Actually, it is like a blessing for me. I have materialized this indicator. It is working very well, very well. And I'm happy. The people, they are blessing me. They are coming back and giving feedback that they are making profits. That's the great thing, actually, what I've achieved by coding this indicator. And if you are not got access or not purchased this indicator, you can message me on 984520996. 984520960. This indicate you can message me on the WhatsApp. You can get access. You can purchase this indicator. It's not very costly, not like others selling for very high price. You can and get utilized. Within one day, you can make the money what you have paid for me. So this is an indicator. As a disclaimer, I'm telling you, this indicator has been created for educational purpose. It acts as a guide and it acts as a mentor for you as a for your trading. And it also takes care of your psychology by constantly telling you it is not a buy. So crude oil, let us check what the crude oil is doing. Let us check on the live market. Crude oil is doing. Crude oil is falling like anything on the daily 15 minutes. 15 minutes, it is a clear sell. It has moved away from the Ganilo is magenta color. All the pivots, R1 pivot and S1, they are all red. So there is no chance of a trend reversal. Trend is bearish. Okay, friends, this is how it is. Thank you very much. I have tried to show it to you on the live market, how it performs, how you can trade. It is so better. So why delay? You can approach me for this indicator. Thank you very much. Nalakshi Swami signing off.